Control Panel Overview. This video will take you through the printer control panel and show you how to navigate through the functions easily. The home screen is made up of 3 icons for print, scan and copy. The top left corner has the reset and sign in functions. The top right corner has the information icon, help menu and clock. The bottom right corner has the quick copy option. To use a function, simply tap on the app icon. Apps normally have 2 sides. In the case of copy, it has an option side to the left and a preview screen on the right. To return to the home screen, tap the home button to the left of the screen. The printer control panel has 2 additional screens just like a smartphone. Use your finger to swipe through the pages. The 2 additional screens contain icons for trays, contacts, settings, maintenance and quick sets, which are all covered in other videos.